channel, Rowe Beauties. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the new shorts that I got in stock. I know a lot of people requested on this video because they want to see the fit, if it's stretchy, what it's made of. They want to know what sizes I'm carrying. So we're going to start out with these Got MILF shorts. Okay. Oh, and you guys don't mind my hair. I just washed it. And yeah, it's a lot of hair up here. So it's a wild thing. So we're going to just let me look at the hair, okay? Coming soon. Videos with me doing my hair, okay? Hair videos soon. So yeah, so these are the Got MILF shorts. Super cute. They are so comfortable. They feel so good. I love wearing them up like this, like high-waisted a little bit. Looks super cute. So these MILF shorts are 90% nylon and 10% spandex. So they got some stretch to them. Super cute. I'm going to be showing you guys the different types of shorts I have. So they come in a cute little bag like this with the size on them. See, like this one says medium, which is what I'm wearing as well. And like I said, 90% nylon, 10% spandex. So 90% nylon and 10% spandex. Very stretchy. Like, look at that. Very stretchy. I know a lot of people are thinking that they're in between sizes, but if you're, let's say you're usually in between medium and large, just go ahead and order a large. If I don't have any in stock in that type of short that you want, then go ahead and order a medium. Make sure it's just cute. Size medium of the Got MILF. This is how they look, like out of the package. All of the shorts are available now on my website, which is www.rowebeauty.com. If you rather click the link, you can go below in the description box. You can click that link to shop. Get shorts. Oh, I swear, I'm sold out of all of these except for size medium. So they went pretty fast. Cat. Really cute. Absolutely love them. They fit really good as well. I got the size medium of this one as well, since I don't have the other ones in stock for this size now. Everything's going fast, so if you want some, make sure you get some. Let's see the stretch. Super cute. I absolutely love them. Now I'm going to try on the M&M's. Green color. And now I'm wearing M&M's shorts. This is how they look. I have them from small all the way up to size extra large. Super cute. I love these. I love how they fit. You can wear them out, like at a club. You can wear them at home, like how I am right now. They're so comfortable. I know I had worn some shorts to the club. They weren't these ones, but there was like these pink ones. And they're like super cute. Everybody got out, so adorable. So yeah, I would definitely wear these out tonight. Everybody would be looking. They're super cute. Eye catcher for real. So you can pair them with different things. But yeah, these are the green M&M's. This is a size large. And this is how these look. You see, and they still got a lot of stretch. Butterfinger. These are the Butterfinger shorts. They're super cute. I love them. I think the yellow, how bright it is, it's just like pops. And I have the other yellow ones that I have are the M&M's and the not cross symbol. Yeah. Super adorable. All size mediums that I'm wearing. I'm gonna show you guys. Butterfinger. This is in size small. This is something different. I haven't showed you guys a small yet. So look, this is small and it still is stretchy. Pretty stretchy. And I noticed some big booty girls been ordering small, so hey, I don't judge it. Do it how you want to do it, honey. It'll be like super cute. So these are the shorts called Bite Me. They're in black. I love that the fact that they're in black. I love the colors. I love the writing. It's very playful, very cute. Baby. Super cute. Size medium again. I'm gonna show you guys an extra large. Oops, that one. I'm gonna show you guys an extra large. How it looks. So this is the extra large. Sold out a lot of extra larges. I was surprised because I didn't know extra large was gonna sell like that. It was like the fastest selling one, so yeah. Look, even downwards, look how stretchy that is. Very stretchy, super stretchy. So, yeah. These are extra larges, so I know some big booty girls was asking how good is the stretch, and look honey, very good. They're very stretchable. These are the thicker than a Snickers shorts. I had put on my website that the color was tan, but it's really like a light gray. As you can see, Snickers is down a little bit, but I think if my butt was a little smaller, it would look a little better. So, little booty chicks, this one's for you. Super cute, right? Love that. I think I've shown you large, so I'm going to show you guys these in large. This is large. Large looks. Stretches amazing. Look at that stretch. Super cute. Snicker. Thicker than a Snicker. Back. I'm so sorry about the delay. My camera had died, so jumping back into it. I don't think I've showed these to you guys yet. This is the thicker than Snickers in color black. Super cute. I feel like they're just super comfortable, you guys. I love how comfortable these shorts are. Like, my company did that for it. Y'all better be glad. I love you guys. It's already 2 something in the morning. I'm super tired. This last week with my business, I've been up all night, waking up at like 6 in the morning to work all over again, read guys orders, and I love you guys, and I can't wait to grow to the point that I can hire people, so then I won't be having to overwork myself, because I'm so exhausted, super exhausted, but I'm so appreciative of you guys' orders. I am like super thankful. It's like crazy. It's such a dream right now, so thank you, my beauties. And if this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Okay, don't forget to like the video. Okay, so these are the medium size, thicker than a Snickers. Got a little lube right there. They're very comfortable. Let me tell you that. Oops. And snap. Snap. Yeah, they're super comfortable. As you can see, because of how the sign says do not cross. Super different. Super different. And size medium. This is my first time trying these on. Here is the size small. Just so you guys can see it being held up. A little length. Size small. Stretchy, stretchy. They're like super comfortable. I swear, every time I get in them, I'm like, oh, they're so comfortable. They are. I'm actually gonna mark these down on my site since I don't really like them that much. Then I wanna mark them down. That'll be only $20 on my website. Okay? So good. So I got the M&Ms on. They're the yellow ones. Super cute. I absolutely love them. Love them so much. They feel very, very comfortable. Yeah. Super, super cute. But yeah, you guys, and then I'm gonna show you them holding them up in size extra large. Big bulging out. Oh yeah. Look at all that fit. So stretchy. Love them. So that's all the shorts. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video. Please like it and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Comment below if you'd want to see like more clothes from me or what you want to see next. Do you want to see makeup looks or what? These lashes are from my brand. They're 25mm and they're called Early Bird, and they should be dropping this week along with 8 other styles. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Order and I'll send you some treats and stuff. I'm about to mark down those other ones because I didn't like them that much. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, which is Rowe Deville. If you're interested in my makeup and everything else, my cosmetic line, follow me on there, and it's Rowe Beauty Cosmetics. Another thing, follow me on Facebook, Beauty by Rowe, where I go live and do my makeup and talk to my girls, my Rowe Beauties, and yeah, and then you'll be a Rowe Beauty, and then we can chat and everything. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Good night.